Raju. The management completely managed by Raju. Thank you, Raju, for doing everything. Mr. Nagdev, thank you. Great job here. As for height, you are doing very much. Mr. Bhavi Kataria is there? Bhavi Kataria? Hello, you're there? You're going tuition or here? Kiddu ke? Ah, dekhe zara. Please, next level infra, I'll request you to arrange your field at the earliest. And best of luck to both the teams. DJ have done a great job in last match, whereas next level also were winners actually. And the winner of this will take second place in the group, I think. Second or third or fourth. Empires, please take note of the time. 40 minutes. Empires, kindly note the time. Yes. Next level infra versus DJ. First ball to be bowled by Moti. Okay, live. First ball to be bowled by Moti. Moti to start proceedings. Oh, great ball here from Moti. Lovely ball. It's a white actually. Okay. Great shot here. Will this be a boundary actually? Yes, yes. Kashela. Yes, second ball to be played. Score moves to 5. Good shot here. Will be a single at least. Score moves on to 6 now. First over in progress. Score is 6 now. जब बोला ना लगाने को उतना ही लगा बेटा जो बोला. Score is 6 now. First over in progress. सुजीत अपडेट नहीं हो रहा बेटा. Okay, okay. Yeah. Great ball here. That will be a single. Score moves to 7. Mr. Jitu Jeswani, he is there to see match of his brother-in-law Karan Kukreja, the lone Sala of Jitu. Score is around 7, I think. First over in progress. Yeah. Moti to ball to Yash, I think. Great ball here. Great comeback from Moti actually. Yeah. Next ball. Great shot. Will this be a catch? Oh, yes. Harshua, lovely. He is a great fielder. Oh my God. Sindhi, okay. सुठी बॉल सुठी रान तांगन छोकरा आजकल या हाँ ना यार. Score is 7 na. Vasu Ungal is great. Yes, Amit to ball his second ball to Tony. Tony facing Amit. Second over in progress. It's a wide ball actually. Yes, one fat lady. Score is a single fat lady 8. 8 for 1. Second over in progress. Tony facing Amit. Amit Tokreja, one of the finest bowler actually. One of the best bowler of his field 4. Oh, great. Lovely shot here. They will take a single. Yeah. Moti keeps the ball with him. Just gives a single away. Score moves on to 9.
Hello.
Score is 9 now. Second over in progress. Cool. Cool breeze going on. Hot sun above. Amit again to Ritesh. Yeah. Lovely ball here, Amit. What a ball, actually. Great bowling, boy. Score is 9 now in 9 balls. Controlled, actually, by the bowling team. Okay. Lovely ball again, Amit. Wow. Good bowling. Score is 9. 1.4. Score is 9. Amit, lovely bowling actually. Just given 2 runs. A wide and a single. Fifth ball from Amit.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, bad actually. Bad. Good backup.
Hello.
Santosh. Good backup from Santosh. Go moves on to double digit 10.
Hello. Hello.
Score is 10 now. 10 for loss of 1 wicket. Last ball of power play actually. It's caught
Good
behind, I think.
ball.
Oh my god. It is Ritesh. Wicket of Ritesh. The last. He was a hero in the last. bowling here. Kira. Bowler Kira. Amit, na? Amit is bowling over. Amit. It's a dot ball actually. Fourth over in progress. Score is 14. Fourth over in progress. Score is 14 now. Oh my god. What was that? Googly ball or chugly ball? Score is still 14. Score is 14. What a ball, Amit! It's a baby maiden over with wicket, I think. It's a wicket. Oh my god, 14 for 3. Yellow Rai Achar की इधर सुनील येलो राई आचार ये क्यों जाए मेरे से येलो राई आचार की बच्चों sorry score is 14 हाँ yes welcome भैया you are there अच्छी है Score is 14 now. 3 point bauru Chodaransu and Akshay. Fourteen for 3. Amit has taken a second wicket actually. 1.3, 3 runs and 2 wickets. Fourteen for 3. It's a single now. 15 for 3. Score is 15. Fourth over in progress. Manish Kalro had lost the wicket, caught behind at the bowling of Amit. Fourth over in progress actually. Good shot here. They will at least look for 2 runs actually. Yeah, they will not get it actually. Single. They will satisfy themselves with a single only. Score moves on to I think 15 na? Good ball here from Amit. Batsman is Akshay Hanswani. He's the captain of the team. Score is 16 at the end of 4 overs. Sixteen for 3 in 4 overs. Manish Sachdev. Yes, Hari going there with the bottle. Score is 16 after 4 overs. Score 16 चैन ओवरनि खां पोइ 4 अचण बाक़ी अगर ये खेॾंदा रहिया त स्कोर वेंदो 50 जे आसपास अक्षय बीठल आहे अक्षय ॾाढी शानदार बैटिंग कंदो आहे ऐं टोनी बि आहे मनीष जी पेयरिंग गेंद ओके गुड शॉट फ्रॉम टोनी सिंगल मिलंदी पक्की स्कोर थी वियो 17 मन हिकु तरफ़ा जो खतरो आहे खतरो या तो बैटिंग टीम लाए या बॉलिंग टीम लाए, खतरो पक्का है। 17, second ball of fifth over. Oh, lovely ball here. What a pace! What a pace! But this time I'm seeing Vicky standing behind the stumps far away. Why, Vicky? You have to be on stumps here. 4.2, 17. Oh my god, it's a miss hit. Oh yeah. 17, loss of 3 wickets. Pyoji. 4.3, 17. Good shot from Akshay. They will take at least a single. Good fielding there from Gary, I think. Gary, the top class third man. Director of National Medical, Girish Kataria. Score is 18 now. Fifth over in progress. Score is 18 now. Shot. Good shot here. They will take at least two. Oh, yes. They won't take two. They are not taking any risk, actually. A very good throw. Score. Yes. हाँ अरे चो. Score Sujit. 19. Will this be a single? Score moves to 20. Karan. Sixth over in progress. Good ball here. Vicky again to stumps. Very close to stumps now. Great ball from Karan. Actually, good comeback from yesterday. What a ball! Oh my god, it's a French cut from a batsman. They'll get a single. It's, I think, what happened? He tried appealing, but the umpires are very much in the sense of saying no. Well kept by Vicky. Good decision by umpires. Akshay. We have two more overs to come after this, I think. Good ball here. Oh, back to Karan. Oh my god, they are hitting the stump directly. Wow, it's over, I think. Score is 21. 21 for 3. Vice President Upmukhi, Mr. Krishnani, he is still 25. He played a very good innings yesterday. Great shot from Akshay. Lovely shot. Will this be a boundary? Yes, I think definitely it's boundary. Good shot from Akshay. Lovely. Has to decide whether to go or not to go. Oh my God. It will be definitely two. Flicked very politely, lovingly for 2 runs. And Harshu can't stop them for 2 runs. Good fielding. Good throw from Harshu. I like the style of Harshu. The way he wears his jersey. See, 2, 3, 4 inches above his shoes. 1, 2, 27, I think. 2 and 7, 27 for 3. 7th over in progress. Manish again to Akshay. Mandap wale. इकडे यावे please. Yes, Manish again to Akshay. What a shot! Oh my goodness! Uneven bounce for Gary, but he can't stop a boundary. I think this time no. Actually, it's good that we are getting some score to see. Good fight will be there actually. Score moves on to 31. Akshay accelerating the score now. Great innings from Akshay. Score is 31 now. 7th over in progress. Score is now it was a good ball actually. And that's a wicket. That's a wicket. Akshay has to depart actually. He tried his level best to keep the scoreboard moving. Caught behind. Lovely catch from Vicky actually. 31. Sorry, 35 I think. Akshay played a good knock off. Sagar Advani, one of the great hitters actually. Lovely catch caught behind from Vicky. Lovely catch actually. And Manish taking a wicket. Call from Deva. Score is 31 for 4. Sagar Advani will be facing Manish. Manish to bowl more 2 balls actually. Oh my God, it's bowled. He is on a hat trick. He is on a hat trick. Great bowling there from Manish. Good. 31 for 5. 31 for 5. 31 for 5. And this is 7th over in progress. Manish on hat trick. Manish is on a hat trick now. Great bowling from Manish. Last ball of his over, and he is on a hat trick now. Raju, may I request you, Raju, to call Balani's team for next match? We do toss करना है हमको उसका. Oh my God! They wanted a wicket, but lovely shot there. It may go for a boundary. No, they are running for two. They may get three also. Yes, they get three actually. Yes, they get three. Oh my God! सूरज की किरणें हरी को चीरती हुई. Seven overs gone. I think score is 34. Sujit bhai. Okay. 3-4 पे 5. बढ़िया बढ़िया. 3-4-5. A last over to be bowled by Karan. Karan will bowl his final quota and final last over for his team. Score is 34. 3-4-5. 34 for 5. Last over from Karan. Great shot. What a shot actually. Oh my God, it's a boundary drop catch actually. It's a boundary. Boundary 438. What a strike. Lovely batting from Karan. Nahi, it was from Jitesh. Good batting, Jitesh. Lovely, lovely. It's a good comeback, mini comeback from the bowler, Karan, one of the fine bowler. Jitesh, one of the fine batsmen. Score is 38 for 5 wickets, 4 balls to go. 50 will be a target which they are looking for actually. Oh my God. Lovely keeping from Vicky. He is Sindhi Dhoni. Vicky, Sindhi Dhoni. .38, 3 balls to go. Good shot here. Will this be a catch? Oh! Yeah, lovely catch from Manish. Lovely, Manish. Well, you missed just the catch, but at the end of the day, you were right. You picked the catch. Lovely catch from Manish. Great catch. And his Pitaji is Santusht now. Hari is Santusht. Well played, Jitesh. Well played. Yes, Raj Matlani. He is a very well-known player from Nasik, Raj Matlani. He will be coming to the crease. Last 2 balls have been left. And to face Karan, it is Tony Lalwani. He is on 6 of 13 balls. Okay, Raj has a runner with him. Raj is a bit injured actually. Yeah. So can we start? 38. 2 balls to go. Lovely here. Will this be a last ball? I think yes. He was just hit a boundary of very first ball and then dot. Lovely. Great. Lovely bowling. You are a fantastic bowler. You have gained 5 dots in last over. It's again a great record. Yes. Can I request to be ready immediately? नहीं है आएगा आएगा महेश भी आएगा सबका नंबर आएगा नहीं आएगा तो बाय लेंगे अपन यार बाय बाय 1 पॉइंट 2 पॉइंट फ्री मुफ्त का चंदन घिसरे नंदन अरे राम जी की निकली सवारी yes target 39 may I request the captain of next level to send the batsman. Oh, there's tuning on the ground. Ground का मेकअप हो रहा है आप देखेंगे. Yes, Harshu again. Harshu and Kushal Nagdev. Harshu and Kushal Nagdev. Empires, great job, Empires. Empire, hi. 39 is the target now. Yes, 39 is the target. Batsman is Harshu, who will take the strike. Kushal on non-strike. Target 39 in 8 overs. Let's have some fight back from DJ. They are kingmakers. But this next level Infra's team belongs to queens. They can destroy kings, but queens cannot be destroyed. No, I can't be that much free, mister. Okay. Harsh is here, Harsh Tailani. I like his style. I like to see in goggles. Yeah, target 39. Target 39 in 8 overs. Yash to open the innings. 2. It will be a wide ball. Harshu facing the strike. Sujit, Harshu on strike, huh? Okay. So they start the score with the extra. Wide ball. It's a single. Lovely batting here from Harshu. They will take single. Score goes to 2. Score will go to 2. हाँ पवन क्या बात है कल कहाँ था बेटा आज खेलेगा ना फॉर्म भरे नहीं Score is 2 of 1 ball. Yes to start. Lovely batting again from Gampu. Score is 3 now. They are going with the target. It is really difficult to play 3 matches in a day. Really difficult. You players, you are doing that. Thanks to you actually. All the players. Thank you all. And special thanks to Mr. Raju actually for organizing such a beautiful event. Raju bhai, it will be a single again. They may get 2. Oh yes, no. They won't take any risk. Not required actually. Score is 4 in 3 balls.
Welcome, Mr. Mahesh Balani.
What a ball actually.
Captains, Mr. Mahesh Balani and
Captain Mahesh Balani and Bharat sir की टीम का captain. Okay. हाँ हो रहा Ritik हो रहा right. Ritik हो रहा and Mahesh Balani. I think Ritik is taller
please
than
come on the
Mahesh.
stage.
What a ball. What a ball. Are they coming back? Yes, DJ are kingmakers. They can come back. They are coming back. Score moves on to 4. Last ball. Oh my God! It's I think 3 dot balls for him. It's over. I think yes. Score remains on 4 now. Yamish. Online. Daddy को online ले दो. Zoom toss. Yes, score is 4. 35 more required. Yeah, we have toss for GKB and Sazdev. You will call? I'll split the coin. Heads and tails. It's tails. And they have decided to decide.
GKB wins the toss.
Yes.
Here comes the captain of Pooch Sindhi Panchayat, Mr. Amit Rohira.
That's a wicket, I think. Yes, a lovely catch. A good comeback actually from Yash. A very good comeback. Yeah. Yes, again. Oh my god, again. It's a white ball. बहुत तेज हवा चल रही ग्राउंड पे. Yes, 16 more required of 32 balls actually. Oh my god, it will be a boundary. No, yes, good fielding actually. Yes, Akshay is there. I'm sure he'll see the runs. Lovely. They'll take 2 runs. More 14 required in 31 balls. More 14 required in 31 balls. DJ, it's last ball from Yash to Santosh. Santosh is playing on 2 runs of a single ball, run rate of 200 actually. If you count the two white or white also, it's 400. Yeah. Oh my God. They will take single. They won't mind taking 2 runs, but they won't take. But they are taking. They won't take. Yes. It is. Score now reaches to 26. Hari, you want to increase the price, Hari? You want to increase the price? 2 6s and 5,000 to Santosh from Hari. 2 6s, 5,000 from Hari. Done, done, done. Plus 1100 from Vicky. 6,100 rupees for 2 6s for Santosh. 2 6s, and here comes MK, Manas Kataria. He's so tall that I can see him very cleanly. Manas, very 13 required of 30 balls. Yes. Bowler is Manish Kalro. Yeah. Good shot. Will that be a... Yes, they will take at least 2, I think. Yeah, I'm sure. More 11 required of 29 balls. Oh, they take 3 runs actually. Oh my god. Yes, Harshu. 1 6 from you and 1100 from Vicky. 1100 from Hari. 11 required in 29 balls. 11 required in 29 balls. Wow, Harshi. Good bowling here from Manish. स्ट्राइक पे है हमारे, क्या नाम है, हर्षु है. सुजीत भाई 3 रन ली गई लास्ट बॉल पे. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. कोई बात नहीं. Take your time. So 10 runs required, 2 6s, 6,100. Santosh, come on. People have come here to watch you. May I welcome the owners of the home agencies, Mr. and Mr. Rijwani. Oh, Bobby, good smile. I can't see you smile. Oh my God, I can't see you smile. Hira Set, please smile. Kilo, kilo. Ah, Hira Set smiling. Wah, kya baat hai.
आयो लाल
Cadbury
चौक।
to all. Cadbury Lal, Hira Lal. 10 required in.
Here comes. Hello, hello,
हाँ जी. 6,100 is the price for two.
hello, hello.
कैसे हो अभी? सब आए सब. Oh my God, lovely comeback actually, Manish. Ten required of 24 balls. Come on, Arshu, we want a six from you.
आयो लाल सबई चो
झूलेलाल जेको चवंदो झूलेलाल तंहिंजा थींदा बेड़ा पार. Yes, commentary back to annual prizes. हर्षु ने छक्का मारा तो 2200 रुपया. हाँ जी. 10 required in 24 balls. Sagar Advani. Will they get two? I think no. Santosh wants to strike actually.
सुजीत अपडेट कर
Require 9.
हो गया
2 sixes from Santosh and cash prize of 6,100 rupees. 6,100 for 2 sixes. Single six, 2,100 rupees. Come on. Great chance to earn money. हाँ. From Amol. Amol Godse. छक्का. अच्छा छक्का मारेगा तो क्या? अच्छा 5,000 रुपया. 6 5 11,200. अमोल गोडसे सरपंच संसारी 5,000. हरी 6200. ओ माय गॉड गए 11,000 रुपए. ओके छक्का. एम्बर छक्का दे छक्का दे छक्का.
मुझा मोरला
आगा म्हणजे ते अटॅक. Yes, one more 6 and it is a prize of 6,100 plus 5,000 from Amol. 11,200 Santosh for a 6. Last chance actually. Yes! Oh my God! Again a Bundri. Bandri. Oh my God, yes. Oh, one more chance.